Testing hearing in the clinic, usually we test levels around threshold perception. So you have to sit in a very quiet room and you're listening to some beeps, and then when you can hear them, you're responding. And that's very well for testing, the limits of your hearing. But when you go into the real world, those limits are usually not in play anymore because you have what's called suprathreshold hearing. So we have a lot more stuff going on, and it's very rarely that you are listening to something as quiet as in the clinic. So that's why we really, within the last couple of years, been focused on how can we actually test hearing in real life and under normal everyday life situations. We also know that the hearing and the cognitive processes behind hearing are not the same when you sit quiet in the clinic compared to being at home when you're washing something or you're doing something. And all that stuff can impact the cognitive function. So in that sense, the process of hearing is not the same in those two situations.